Select Magic Wand tool. Then select the areas that you want to replace the color with. Go to Image, Adjustments, Replace Color. The top color picker is going to be the color that you do not want, or the color that you want to replace. Click OK. At the bottom, you can adjust the hue, the saturation, or the lightness. And if that is not enough, click on the color picker box. And here you can select the color you want by RGB, CMYK, or the hex number. For the sake of this exercise, I'm just going to make this a darker green. Click OK when you're finished. OK again. And you're done.